Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming a few prerequisites so nothing blocks recovery. Check for Windows updates and install any pending patches, then restart. This clears many transient errors. Make sure you are signed into the same Microsoft account used to get the app. Mismatched accounts prevent restore. Also verify time, region, and language settings match your account because licensing checks depend on them. Once those are set, move directly to repairing and reinstalling steps to recover the store app quickly. You now perform the middle steps that actually fix corrupted app data. Open Settings, go to Apps, right arrow Apps and Features, locate the problematic app, and choose Advanced Options. Click Repair first because it preserves data. If repair does not work, click Reset to recreate the app container. This may remove local settings, so be aware. If the Microsoft Store app is the issue, run WS Reset, exe from start to clear its cache. Once done, make sure to test the app before proceeding to reinstall if necessary. You finish by reinstalling and verifying the app works on your system. If repair or reset failed, uninstall the app fully and reinstall it from the Microsoft Store. Use Library to locate previously purchased items. Then run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter from Settings, right arrow Troubleshoot to catch lingering permission or dependency issues. If problems persist, try creating a new local administrator account and install the app there to rule out profile corruption. If that fixes it,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.